like that girl. Guess some kind guess. That will be like that. We've taken like 12 times in a day. Anyone, now welcome back on top of the night show. In case you just join us, what will they discuss now? Matter when a woman send a message, give Katim, say we could discuss on top of the show. Her husband, the touchlight her website 6 times every day. 6, yeah.
From
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From 9 times to 6 times, and the man not agree go down. Last price, he not agree give last price. Now that's
6.
Now that's 6. Now the man maintains.
6 or nothing.
Now the woman now says she don't tire on top of the whole thing. Now the man now don't threaten her say if he not gear, he go outside, go they collect the 6 times. The question with the woman now they ask her say make she allow the guy they take 6 course meal every day. Abi. Make she give the man, you can go. Make the man go outside, go to collect the 6 times a day. Our phone number is there on top of TV. Make us begin the call us. Hello, good evening. Hello? Toby.
Hello.
Toby, how now?
I'm very fine, though.
Talk to us.
Hello.
We dey hear you, Toby. On top Twitter, I suggest she should endure cause wiping is for better for worse on the beat. And I am there to say, make she don't come out of her house, Oja. The man, Wahala done too much. From Lagos here, good evening.
Yes, good evening.
My brother, how is you?
I did fine.
How is your ministry?
The ministry goes no reach in permanent site.
If let's say you just chop night food.
Yes.
No wonder, because I take answer. You just chop night food. I talk to us for this discussion.
You see, the two where they got all those Wahala be say, you don't say for church now. Before husband and wife go marry, they go say, make they no run things.
Now, and this one, they not run things.
They don't run things.
So immediately when they go enter house, the woman go find out say the man pass her. So he better say, make the woman. So he better say, make the woman tell the man, say, okay, oh, if you want to run things outside, may go run things outside, but make it a take CD, they play the music, so that may know they carry children from outside, can't join the streets where they have.
So make the woman allow and go.
Exactly, make it allow, make it no come kill her.
All right, Charles, thank you very much.
Straight
Thank
to
you
the
very
point.
much.
And then at something. Say, I beg, make the man carrying problem go far. Sex is essential, but not too much if it's bad. Please educate him. Nice evening. Give the same thing
Sort of for her to say, for this thing when in right.
And I remain small. And then, if this woman, they allow this man from day one, then may she continue. Now she cause him. And then Francis Ucho say, make the woman buy sex doll for the man now, Abby. And then Austin talks, say the man should give her a break because she's a woman. Please, she will die, yo. And then, that man don't damage.
No, that man won't damage.
That man won't damage that thing because the bride price where the woman family. You know, say that true. If he say the bride price where they pay for that woman head too much, then the man say, you collect too much. I will show you. I will break your leg. Yeah, I will paralyze you. Anyway, now waiting Shakara Efisi talk. And then Perez talk say the man na addict. He need help. If he don't collect from outside itself to reduce the 9 times to 6. But na true, if he say the 9.
Say if he don't collect from outside.
If he don't collect from outside.
To balance that top up.
Anyway, good evening from Lagos here.
Hello.
Hello, my brother.
Good evening.
How is you?
I'm very, very casual.
How is your ministry?
My ministry is moving fine.
Hallelujah, somebody, talk to us.
In the rest of that matter, we're going to discuss.
Bam.
That man, is he from outside or from where?
Where the man from?
No, Naibo man.
Naibo man.
Okay, the wife from call.
I don't know. Maybe Naibo man. I can't even know the full gist.
Naibo
I think the wife
Naibo then 2B. Okay, Naibo then 2B. Okay,
you know, that man need to live not be ordinary.
Oh, not be ordinary something.
Not be ordinary because he won't wound that woman. He won't wound them.
So what do you make the woman do?
The woman and woman being a rubber machine.
You don't marry?
Me?
I
don't marry now.
How many times you they do in a week?
Make I tell you my secret.
Tell me now, my brother. What's that?
I think you don't marry.
Now you marry me?
No, now you marry me.
Now you marry me?
Now you're married.
Now you're married?
How many they want your own wife?
Now you marry me?
No, talk now. They do. Let's talk like friends.
Eugene,
Shall we-
bye-bye,
now you
good
dey
night.
ask
Jeff
question.
from Holland. Moko ask Jeff wife, how many times Jeff they do? Hello, Jeff from Holland.
Good evening, Nedu.
Hi, sweetie.
Oh.
Hello. Hi, Captain.
Hello. Ooh.
Easy day.
Hello, good evening, blessing.
What be your name?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, say.
What be your name?
Joy.
Joy, where you dey come from?
From Holland.
Oh, now, Joy, what do they do for Holland?
I be mother, I dey work.
Which kind of work you dey work?
No, I dey work for school.
Okay. So, Joy,
Yeah.
I bet chook mouth for this talk.
What I get to talk for the matter be saying, now I be first time caller.
Hey, wait, better give me check. Oh yeah, talk your talk.
Talk for the matter be say, what did that man they do, They do?
Yes.
Now abuse that man, they abuse that woman.
Okay.
It's not normal at all. How
Okay.
come?
Okay.
For example, the man they work, the woman they work. For the woman to even take care of 6 kids, it's very difficult.
Yes.
So that's what that man they do. Just like now abuse, you don't get right to say do anything. Anytime I want you, just open up. So the woman not the endurer. It's just like a rape. Now rape the man, they rape her. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's so painful. It's not normal.
So what do make the woman do?
The advice when I get for the woman, as other people they talk, say, make the woman endure, but the woman need to talk to the man. You really need to talk to the man. And officer make the man go outside. Make the woman said the man go outside. Okay. Because outside not safe. If he go outside, now maybe the man go carry sickness, go give the woman for house.
Innocent.
That one an extra problem.
Okay.
So they just need to talk about it. But
Okay.
for the woman to just relax, the receiver. She feel just they do it one day, the woman go die, even while the man they on top of her. So it's not nice. Let the woman just talk to Ramon. And now sickness for the man too. The man need to see a doctor. Because it's not normal for a man to just the wife 6 times a day.
How many times?
It's not good now.
All right, Joy,
So then my
thank you.
contribution be that one.
Joy, you don't marry?
I don't marry. I get 2 kids.
Now, how many times you say they okay for a day?
I dey work now. I get 2 kids to take care of. I dey carry them, they go sport, they do everything. So at least once a day is okay.
At least
Man, they
one
work,
square
woman,
meal.
they work.
One square meter.
You say?
1 square meal a day.
It's okay now because the woman get a lot of things to do to take care of children. The man needs to work.
All right, Madam Joy,
Joy.
thank you very much.
All right, bye-bye.
Enjoy yourself. Mommy Clinton, good evening.
Good evening, Nedu.
Mommy Clinton, how Clinton?
Is that fine?
You never gone Obama?
No, I don't born Obama. We're supposed to Lincoln. I don't born all of them.
Oh, you don't born Lincoln, Clinton, Obama. But make you born Buhari now.
Actually, good evening.
Evening. Oh, how now?
Now, well done.
I am Mommy Clinton, chook mouth for this talk.
Okay, my brother. Somehow, it's like they take something for outside. If they take manpower.
Something like what?
Ide take akparaga akparachia.
It's like so. It's like they take manpower. That one when they call manpower. Now in the state.
But now every day you go to take them.
Maybe. As in body business. Now in the car.
Okay, so now what you say make the woman do?
Well, the advice I will give the woman, if she gets the power, then she continue. But it's too much.
The woman not get the power, obviously. She
You
don't
don't
complain,
tire.
she not fit.
When she rests now, when she rests.
So make she allow the man go outside.
No, no.
So what make she come do now? Make she collect them?
Make she rest how?
He said,
Make she dey collect them?
why should I collect her now? No, we are husband. Anyhow, when she
So what do you come talk?
So what do you come talk now?
I said, make she the manager, make she the bearer.
Wait, Mommy Clinton, where your husband
Very
dey?
soon the man will reduce.
Wait, where your husband
No
dey?
be quarrel.
He dey watch you now, dear. Now what they see now?
How many times he dey okay for a day?
I see go feel you. I see.
For you.
For you now, how many times?
I don't know, maybe. You
Talk am now, Mommy, talk am. Bye, Mommy Clinton. You, mother, your own, I feel like 12. From Kaduna, good evening.
Yeah, Nedu, good evening.
Yeah, come on, Baba, now, yeah, Keke.
Hello, they do.
Yeah, Aiki.
Yeah, everything.
Yeah, I'll go chi.
I'll go Gilabia.
So, took mouth for this talk.
I'm going to continue with Hausa now.
The Tirinchi, the pitch, because not everybody will understand what we talk.
That's true, that's true.
Make it up like we just say them. Can't you go?
You know what's in there, Bob? That guy. If me have advice,
Yakubu.
Yeah?
Talk. Chika Bamana.
Make the man go marry another wife. Make him leave that first wife alone.
Say, but share 3-3.
No, let us share them 3-3. This one collect 3, the other one collect 3. You understand? She don't already born 6 children for him. What thing you want?
Okay. No, for the woman, no, you know, say that the woman they ask this question, not be the man. So what do you want to make the woman do?
Another option. As per say, they don't marry, he give her option. Make she say give her own option.
Okay.
You understand?
Another
He
angle
don't
with that.
come down from 9 to 6. You get?
Okay. All right, now Yakubu, now go there, go.
No
So say this happy. Thank you. Good night. Hello. Good evening. Hello.
What can I do?
My brother, how is you?
I did find my brother. How you know? Katia now.
I did.
Okay, Jeff, where your wife?
It was a day they look television.
Oh yeah, tell us. Chook mouth for this talk. First of all, before I ask your wife.
The man na nymphomaniac. I beg you. Waiting now. You want waiting?
I don't know.
But so what do you think made the woman do?
You know what did the woman do? Man say okay, make the man leg the woman. Now let the man the climax.
Now your wife now.
No, now let the man they come if they're the wife.
My brother, I'm not going. They should not tell us reach that side.
Mo say the man, maybe let the woman the consistence. We'll see whether the man go still like him.
Okay. You know what they talk, Jeff. Okay, Jeff, give your wife. Make her ask your wife this question.
She not the follow. She look another program.
Oh, she watch another program. Okay, so what you go tell the woman now?
You say?
What you go tell the woman make she do?
Oh, but then I say, tell you, talk to your husband and not be soulmate.
Okay, no problem now, no problem. Because the man give her 2 options.
One thing I let the man they come, the woman they come if they wipe. Who they enjoy and pass?
I'm not there. I'm not be with the free. Go on.
The point of view of man when they look out, the point of view of woman.
Not true, sir. I feel you. I understand what you talk.
The man, if the man they consistent, so now letting the enjoy at last and the climax. If the woman they come, the climax.
Yeah. Anyway, Oga Jeff, thank you very much.
Why you can't they laugh?
Thank you.
No Wahala.
Thank you very much, Oga Jeff.
Hello.
Sunday, good evening.
Good evening.
How is you?
I'm fine.
Sunday, check your mouth for this talk.
Okay, now what I want to be say, that man he likes far well.
Okay. What do you want make the woman do? Make she allow the man go outside or make she dey collect am?
Make just marry another wife now, so that if you marry another wife, they're going to share around 2 times daily, or you can marry 3 wives, they're going to shop and 3.
No, wait,
so,
Sunday. The question whether they now make the woman they collect the 6 or make she allow the man go outside. Sunday. Sunday, you take phone.
No, it just disappeared.
You take phone call us. Ngwa, bye. On top Twitter, Kati Mungwa. We saw Lolo say, I go say make the woman and the husband. I go say make the woman and the husband go cast with the cock.
Placenta.
Wait, make una trace what happened to the guy placenta. I am sure say na dog go chop am.
Madam run
come over the house. Now wetin Bonu what if magic talk. And then I go Lolo that treasure week we say I go say make the woman and the husband go for counseling. Make she also take family planning injection. Or insert a hormone. She even put injection sign on the Twitter.
She follow gon talk say 6 children they okay, I beg. If he not agree, follow her go counseling. Make she let her go outside. Make she remove her mind to save her life.
I beg, 6 times wiping is not possible, I beg. Even if the man they use Viagra, it not fit do am. Make him free the woman. Easy beat. He says 6 times not possible. Tell us that story about that man. What they do how many times?
That's the celebrity 60 times a day.
60 times in a day.
Yeah.
Oh.
They don't do 60 times. Just let me check out for Google. They will say I'm there. A lot of them.
Una de you you say it 6 times not possible. Google am. For Google, a get man for Yankee where they do 60 times at least every day.
That's not sickness now.
60 times. Una think say na sickness. Hello, from Lagos here. Good evening.
Good evening.
How is you? Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening. Go on, kwa. Vivian, good evening.
Good evening, ma.
Good evening. Go on, kwa.
Oh, good evening.
Ngwa talk your talk for this talk.
Okay, what I want say, what I want talk. Say, let the man go outside.
Make the woman allow the man go outside.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. All right. Thank you very much, Madam Vivian.
Thank you.
Hello. Good evening, Michael.
Yeah, Michelle, not Michael.
Michelle, how is you?
I'm fine.
Ngwa check your mouth for this talk. You be worried guy now. I know what you go talk.
First of all, make the man go find another wife.
Bam. Okay.
Make him leave the poor woman alone before he go kill her for her family.
Abi?
Yes.
All right. Thank you very much, Michelle.
Yeah.
But Michelle, na woman name. Now, why you answer woman name?
Is it not Michelle?
Yeah. He said, say Michael. He said, no, Michelle. My
Michelle.
brother, na woman. Maybe na woman we dey talk to, we don't know.
Answer Michelle now.
Michelle is
What?
in French.
Oh, remember that Michelle where they don't say?
Yeah,
You know that Michelle where carry work for head?
But now woman now.
Na man.
Now woman she be.
No, this one maybe now. La 6 children. Okay, we don't read that. And then so the woman should go away and let the man go outside. And then
She will say they just open the world's first.
My brother, live and like that. There is no timetable for wiping. Let the wiping continue. The Lord is our muscle.
Make the
My
woman
brother,
stop.
God will judge you.
Make the woman stop to wash that place. Maybe the smell. Fit pursue am.
Jesus,
This kind
that's
of
so
person.
gross.
Gross.
They just okay, and then now die the woman enter. When the man no come for Calabar or Kogi, but if the man continue, the shocky go quick die. Okay, now wow, that woman supposed not they complain. What of those when they sell them body for money prostitutes? They do more than 10 times in a day. Make sure not they complain, but that not what is she. But those people they try, those girls they try.
But they get training for that one.
Those ones they don't go training.
They get military training.
Hardcore.
And then Ume say Nedu, the man won't kill the woman. The man is just a sex maniac, using the woman as his sex toy. He's not a true man of God, not be pastor.
Not be pastor.
And then make the woman stop. Okay, we'd already read that one. Then on top Twitter. And
now
then
the man's strength. Now make she no complain because now the man they tire pass.
And then Arefina talk say, make the man go act blue film now. Now me say the man missing calling. Anyway, double toilet all of now. We don't call us on top of the night show for today. And double toilet all of now. We send tweet messages on top of the topic when the episode we discuss. If not me, the man needs help. But first, the woman needs to seek medical help for him. And she, now talk am. If not me be the woman. If not go advise the woman. If she not fit take him. If not 2 options the man give her, make sure to add her own options. Okay? If you don't want me, make her come out my day. No worry, I will carry my property, go my family house. Before you kill me, carry the 6 children. Make the man marry another wife. Because, you know, if he paralyze the woman, no, I beg, leave matter. Now, if not me.
You see me, what you go do?
If I meet with the woman, I'll call her and we'll go sit down and talk. I don't know, see, Egbon. Egbon husband. I'm not sure.
Finish.
Yes.
He go here, you finish.
Yes.
Tomorrow he go continue.
No, you know if you continue.
It don't do. Anyway, till tomorrow, make sure I get better. If double toilet to K-Solo, K-Moss, Big Bash, Shapali, Emmanuel, and every other person when they say behind the scene, where they make sure this program work well. Until tomorrow, una good.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.